Peace be upon you. How are you doing? I hope you are well. Today, I want to show you how you can change your Facebook account name. So, in 2016, many people were not able to change their names on Facebook. So, I will give you a clear explanation in this video about how you can change your name on your Facebook account. Then make sure to start the verification process. First, you need to log into your Facebook account. After that, you will see a little icon next to your name. You will see a setting option here. Click on Settings and Privacy. In the Settings and Privacy, you will see Settings. So, click on Settings, and you will see the option to change your name, which many people do not know about, where you can change your Facebook account name. So, whatever you want to change, you can click on that option. Once you click on that option, it will proceed. Okay? You have successfully clicked on that option. So, click on that option to see how you can change your account name. So, whatever you want to change, you will see it here. You will see your profile here. After that, you will see two other options here. If you want to link your Instagram ID to Facebook, you can do that, but you will show your Instagram here. If the Facebook option is not available, then there is no problem. You will need to click on Facebook here. You will see the Facebook icon here. So make sure you know which Facebook account you are using. And if you want to link your Instagram account, I will click on my two Facebook accounts. I will show you how to link the Facebook account here. You can click on any option, and then you will see a name here. You will see an option here, and it is correct. So what you can do is click on any option. So if you click on the entire option here, you will see the page to create your own. In the other menu, you will see the option to create. And in our central section, the option to sense is available. So if you want to check a name, you can change the name of our Facebook account. You can do that. So I won't change the name of this account, as I have already shown you, which can be used by you. So it seems you are showing your web page to others, and you can also show it to your friends. After showing this, you can sense your name. Yes, let me remind you that if you Again, you can sense how many names you can create. You can create up to 4 names in total. So definitely set the name before you sense it. After that, if you watch this video, you will definitely like it. So make sure to like and comment on the video. So let's see again.